There is never a dull moment when it comes to Tesla's chief executive Elon Musk. One day he's launching mini satellites into orbit to expand his space-based global internet service. On another, he's opening a new auto manufacturing plant or announcing a new version of Tesla's electric vehicles. Or on another day, he's jousting with Twitter regarding his $44 billion bid to acquire the social media company, which he now owns. Elon Musk finally bought Twitter. But like everything the Tesla and SpaceX owner touches, it turned to chaos. Now, the relationship between Elon Musk, Twitter, and Tesla has become something most investors are concerned about, especially how it affects Tesla's stock price. That and more shall be covered as we proceed into this video, so make sure you watch right until the end to find out. So, what's Tesla really about? Tesla is the world's largest automaker by market value, and it designs, builds, and markets fully electric vehicles and energy generation and storage systems. The company also provides services through vehicle service centers, body shops, and charging stations.
We want to make it available to anyone who wants to go.
Tesla was founded in 2003 as Tesla Motors by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. Elon Musk invested in the company and became its chief executive officer the next year. The company was founded as a maker of electric vehicles and related components and has subsequently expanded into energy generation and energy storage products. Tesla went public in an initial public offering on June 29, 2010. So what about its CEO, Elon Musk? Well, Elon is a South American-born entrepreneur best known for serving as CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, and The Boring Company. Early in his career, he founded X.com, a startup that was acquired by the company that became PayPal. He's also the wealthiest man in the world. His electric car company has been well insulated from his extracurricular activities, but that will be tested by the billionaire's imminent ownership of a platform like Twitter. But he's already the CEO of so many companies, and he has more money than anyone else in the world. Why buy Twitter? At first, Musk flirted with the idea of starting his own social media platform, but I'll admit, I didn't think he would actually offer Twitter $44 billion to buy their platform instead of building one from scratch. Oh, how naive I was. Musk calls the social media company the town square of the internet, but he doesn't like how it's run. A Musk-owned Twitter could also run into obstacles in the future where new content moderation rules could smite Musk's free speech absolutionist aims for the platform. Is Musk biting off more than he can chew? It can be argued that no CEO has taken on more responsibility than Elon Musk. In addition to running Tesla, SpaceX, and Starlink, Musk runs Neuralink, which seeks to tie human brains to computers. With all that going on, Musk has overextended himself with the buying of Twitter. In that regard, the plan has had negative effects on both the Tesla and the Twitter stock price, which have been falling since Musk acquired Twitter. Experts say it's a result of Musk's Twitter purchase and plan to make the platform a free speech social media. This decision has seen some Twitter and Tesla shareholders withdraw their stakings in both companies, leading to a decrease in both companies' stock prices. Not even Elon Musk's Tesla can escape this bear market, and that has implications for investors far beyond the stock's diehard followers. After defying gravity for much of the past 2 years, Tesla stock is down nearly 50% from its November peak and has given back all of its 2021 gains.
So do you want to see the car?
Much of the electric vehicles maker's decline came when it plummeted 30% in a few weeks after chief executive Elon Musk reversed course and completed the $44 billion acquisition of social media platform Twitter. Investor skepticism has heightened with Musk's recent appearance on Twitter. Almost immediately after entering the agreement to buy Twitter, the mercurial Musk spent months trying to wiggle out of the deal he first proposed in April for $54.20 a share. It came as a shock to the market that he would go ahead with the transaction after all. Market conditions have radically changed since it was announced. Twitter backers who pledged more than a combined $7 billion early on have stayed silent on whether they continue to be interested. The risk is that Musk might have to sell more Tesla shares to come up with the necessary equity funding if investors bail out. There have been other issues too surrounding Tesla. Apart from investors' fear that Musk is spreading himself too thin, Tesla has had some issues with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Hey, take a quick break and show us your support by liking and subscribing to the channel to stay updated whenever we upload more interesting videos like this. So why is Elon Musk even beefing with the Securities and Exchange Commissions?
And I was told by the banks that if I did not agree to settle with the SEC, that the banks would cease providing working capital and Tesla would go bankrupt immediately.
In September of 2018, Tesla and its CEO Elon Musk settled a civil securities fraud suit brought by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC. As a part of that settlement, Musk stepped down as the board of the chair, and the company agreed to corporate governance reforms and other changes, as well as a total of $40 million in fine for Musk and the company. The SEC had alleged that a Twitter post by Musk outlining plans to take Tesla private, quote, lacked an adequate basis in fact. The commission also charged Tesla with, quote, failing to have required disclosure controls and procedures relating to Musk's tweets.
Am considering taking Tesla private at 420, funding secured. The SEC disputed that claim and charged him with securities fraud.
On June 1st, 2021, the Wall Street Journal reported that Musk had twice violated a court order requiring that all his tweets be pre-approved by Tesla lawyers. On March 28, 2022, Musk sued to end the commission settlement condition requiring company lawyers to approve his tweets containing material business information, alleging it infringes on his freedom of expression. On April 14, 2022, Musk called the Securities and Exchange Commission regulators back for bringing back charges settled in 2018. With all that going on, is Tesla stock a buy? Well, Tesla recently completed a 3-for-1 stock split, with the shares distributed on August 24th. The Tesla stock split is seen as a way to increase demand for its shares. The split brings down the price of the stock, which attracts a wider range of buyers and investors. They're generally seen as a bullish sign that implies strong execution from a business perspective, and it's easier to purchase stock options for those that choose to trade. It was Tesla's second split in just over 2 years. Another reason why Tesla stock is a good buy is its strong manufacturing efficiency advantage. At Tesla's annual shareholder meeting on August 4th, Musk said that Tesla's strongest competitive advantage may be its manufacturing efficiency. However, he also said that one of Tesla's greatest long-term opportunities may lie in robotics powered by artificial intelligence. Looking ahead, Musk says that Tesla could achieve a production run rate of 2 million vehicles by the end of this year, and he reiterated the goal of 20 million vehicles by the end of the decade. Tesla might seem like a pricey stock in terms of valuation, but the company has delivered huge earnings and revenue growth for several quarters in a row. Also, annual earnings estimates show the company's growth trajectory is still very much intact. Tesla shareholders may be experiencing deja vu this month as they watch the company's stock fall on the news that Elon Musk has acquired Twitter and plans to make it a free speech zone. Following the news, the electric automaker's market valuation reduced by $125 billion that same week. It wasn't clear if this price drop was because of the Twitter news or residual mockery from the reveal of Tesla's humanoid robot, but Tesla is more than its share price. It's a car company, and by most accounts, they're pretty cool cars, and the company's retail shareholders are usually pretty forgiving when Elon veers off into more controversial territory. But as always, the investment decision is yours to make. That's it for today's video. What are your thoughts on what's happening at Tesla? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.